Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. So today I'm taking very small question, very simple question based on number theory. For digits A, B, C, square of AB plus square of AC equals to 1313. Compute A plus B plus C. So we have to write 1313 as a product of two digits square. Both are having the tens place digits same. So here I am writing a new formula, may not be new, you may be knowing it, that is equal to a square plus b square whole into x square plus y square. You can write yourself this formula. This is equal to, can be written as a square x square plus b square y square plus a square y square plus b square x square. Now if I'll add one 2abxy and subtract one 2abxy, then I can make into two squares. What is it? One is ax a square x square plus b square y square plus 2abxy plus a square y square plus b square x square minus 2abxy. So this was the left hand side. This means a square plus b square into x square plus y square, it equal to this taking together, this is x plus by whole square plus this will be ay minus bx whole square. That means product of two can be written as square of two terms, provided this will be the condition. Or it can be written as ay plus bx whole square plus ax minus by whole square. So next is 1313. I'll write in this form, product form. So if we'll take the prime factorization, it will be 3, not 3, it is 13 into 101. So 13 is, I'll write as square of two numbers like this, a square plus b square. This is 9 plus 4. 9 is 3 square and 4 is 2 square. And 101, I'll write 100 plus 1. So what I'm getting? I'm getting 3 square plus 2 square and 10 square plus 1 square. So what is a here? A is 3, b is 2, x is 10 and y is 1. So I'll write this in either in form of ax plus by whole square plus ay minus bx whole square. So ax means this will be 10 into 330 square plus ay is 3 minus 20 whole square. 3 minus 20 whole square. So that will be 13 square plus 17 square. This is equal to 311313. But it is the two digits as tens place digit are not same. So I'll go for the second one. So that is ay plus bx whole square plus ax minus by whole square. Now let us take the value. Ay will be 3 into 1, 3 plus bx, it will be 20, 3 plus 20 square plus ax equal to 30 minus 20 whole square. So what I'm getting? I'm getting 23 square plus 28 square. So which one is the answer? Last one will be the answer because it has the two digit tens place digit equal. So 1313 can be written as 23 square and 28 square. So according to the question, this is the answer where A equals to 2, B equals to 3 and C is equal to 8. So what will be A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C is 2 plus 3 plus 8, that will be 15. A 3 11 plus 2 be 13. Answer. So I hope you enjoyed the result. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing my channel.